Okay, this is the entry video for our heirloom seed giveaway. We're going to be giving away 10 different heirloom seed varieties. The winners' names will be drawn in a week. So to enter the contest, you'll need to make a comment including the word seeds, S-E-E-D-S. So the first variety we're going to be giving away is the black oil sunflower seed. I grow these for my chickens and for other livestock. The black oil sunflower seeds have a shell that's easier to digest than other kinds of sunflowers, so you can give them to horses and dairy animals. And they also can be pressed for sunflower oil. Next, we have the mini red bell pepper. There's a couple different colors shown in this picture, but it is the red one that we'll be giving away seeds for. These are great for growing in containers and for short season climates. They do really well out in my garden that sometimes just has 80 days between frosts. Next is the Chichiquelite Huckleberry. We have a blog post all about these. They're in the tomato family, but they are used like a fruit. They're great for snacking out in the garden. They can be eaten raw or cooked. You can also use them in pies, jellies, and other recipes. And then we have the Gardener's Delight Cherry Tomato as number 4. This is a really prolific heirloom cherry tomato. It has large tomatoes that are really flavorful, and they have a thinner skin, so not as great for transporting, but perfect for the home gardener. Number 5 is the Flemish Antique Poppy. These are pink and white striped poppies. They are beautiful as cut flowers, and they also have edible bread seeds. This is one of my favorites out in my garden. I'm going to be planting a lot of these this year. And then as number 6, we have the yellow Mangel beet. These were historically grown for livestock feed. They are a gigantic beet, a lot larger than the common table beet, and they're also not as sweet. You can eat them in the kitchen. Most people prefer the sweeter table beets for kitchen use. Next is the Hulless Pumpkin. So these have meat that's like a spaghetti squash, but the seeds don't have holes. So it's like the green pumpkin seeds that you would buy in the store for snacking. My kids absolutely love these. We grow a lot of them every year. Number 8 is the striped brandywine tomato. So these have a brandywine-like flavor. They're a low-acid tomato. They're about the same size as a brandywine. I found that they're more prolific in my garden, and they usually are one of the earliest tomatoes to come on. And these are a newer variety, so they're not completely stabilized, and you can expect a few off types. Number 9 is going to be wild garden kale. This is a Siberian kale, so it is more cold hardy than the European kales. And if you save these for seed, they won't cross with other cabbage family members. We've been growing these in our garden for probably 10 years, and they will last all winter out in the garden. We're in zone 5, so we can get down to -20, and these still come back in the spring. Number 10 is going to be the Oregon Homestead squash. This is a variety of sweetmeat squash bred by plant breeder Carol Deppy, and they have a really small seed cavity, so you get a lot of meat for your squash. That's one thing that I love about Oregon Homestead, and they're also delicious. We like to bake them and cook them with just a little bit of butter and some maple syrup or coconut sugar. And they also make great pies. All right, so to enter the contest, you're going to place a comment in the comment section below with the word seeds, plural, and we will be drawing winners in about a week, so be watching for that video.